Google Merchant Center tutorial, how to use Google Merchant Center. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with using Google Merchant Center. So what exactly is Google Merchant Center and how can you get started? Now to get started with Google Merchant Center, simply head on over to google.com/retail. And what Google Merchant Center allows you to do is to drive more sales and reach more customers on Google Images, Google Search, and many other places where Google is advertising. We often come across different panels that are adverts by Google, and those are based upon our recommendations. So when you add your product or connect your business to the Google Merchant Center, you are able to get your products to be the ones that are going to be advertised. You don't have to pay for advertising. You can grow your business with personalized insights and drive sales by paid advertising as well. So let's get started. For this, simply head on over to Google Merchant Center. This is what your dashboard is going to look like, and I'll show you guys how you can connect your account. So simply go into google.com/retail, click on Start Now. Once you click on Start Now, it's going to lead me to the Merchant Center. I'm going to click on the top right and choose a different account instead. Once I choose my different account, I'm just going to go on ahead and go into this, sign into Merchant Center, and we're going to just click on over here to create our account. Just so that has access to this. No, I actually want to sign out of all of my accounts. Continue, and then we're going to just use this one account over here. Now, whenever you're signing up for Google Merchant Center, obviously the first step is going to be to create your account. Now, if you have a Google account, you will be able to sign up with that. Obviously, you do need to have a Google account to get started with the Merchant Center. So we're going to go into Start Now once more to get started. And once you do that, this is our Merchant Center account. Now, on the top right, we have our merchant ID and we have our business manager. I have connected our business, but if you haven't done that already, then you're going to go into the Manage in Business Manager and actually connect your business with Google Business Manager. You guys can see within my Merchant Center, I have this business added. If I click on Add Service, I can add another service. You can't directly link, but you do have to list it on Google Maps or, Google Sites. And if you want, you can remove the access from your Merchant Center to your Business Manager if you want to separate them. If you don't want the Business Manager to have access to your Merchant Center data, you can do that if you are working for a consultancy or if your business is structured differently. Now, over here in our top right, we have to confirm our business address. We have to confirm our online store, and we have to add shipping because these are the primary factors without which you cannot basically connect. You do have to ensure that you are shipping your product, you have your online store, and your business address is a legitimate address, and you are going to sync up your product. Then you also have to add a return policy. So we have, let's say, return policy URL. This is important. So you're going to go into your Shopify store or whatever platform you are using to build your store. And once you go into that particular platform, you're just going to click on your policy section. So I'm going to click on View Online Store and then scroll down into my policy section. So currently you guys can see I don't even have a policy for returns. And I'm going to check out my other store as well. Yeah, this one does not have it. I'm just going to go into settings, go into policies, and then I'm going to click on return and refund policy, insert template, cooling off period, publish 15 days of returns. And then I'm just going to click on this. And once we have this embedded, we are just going to open up our store to check if our policy is visible on our store. So if I scroll to the bottom, it's going to hide this bar. We have our refund policy, and I'm going to copy this URL, go back into Merchant Center, and then add my retail return policy. And after that, we can add this to all countries. Do I accept returns? Do I accept exchanges? Yes. And then we're going to click on Next. We only accept this for new product and within 15 days, and we can add a window extension during certain times of the years like holidays, but for our store we do not offer that. Then we have the return method, so by mail, and then we have a currency that applies to this policy, return label. They are going to be their customer's policy. There is a fixed cost of 10 whenever someone has a return, and there's a 15-day refund time. this matches to my website, and we're just going to click on save. Once you've done that, your basics are going to be set up on the Google Merchant Center. So this includes your business address, online store, shipping added, returns added, and products added. Then below that, you can see different steps you can take, including making fixes to ensure that your products are visible correctly. Now, if I click on my products on the left, you can see the all product section. Within this particular sunscreen is not approved because it has been marked out of stock. So I can click on this, and from here I can scroll ahead. I can click on here to edit this product, and I don't have a description, I don't have images. There are several fields within this that are missing, and Google will scan through all of your products to see how everything has been labeled. So the rest of my products have all of the information that is complete, including titles, product IDs, suggested title, data sources, and more. But this one doesn't, so I'm going to click on edit over here, and we are going to go with visibility, don't show on Google, click on apply. So I'm just going to hide this product for now because it's no longer valid for our Google showing. Then below that, we have shipping and return policies that you need to ensure that are matching with your website and your company policy. Then below that, you have to confirm your business address and then your store quality. So you basically get a scorecard, and you can rank higher in Google shopping results depending on your store quality. Improving your store quality is going to be a very major component, especially for growing your business. Initially, when you're starting out, you're not going to have any data regarding your store quality, but as soon as more customers start purchasing from you, you will get a scorecard. Below that, you have free listings. So you can show your products across Google. They can appear on Google Search, the Shoppings tab, Maps, YouTube, and more. So you can click on free listings and enable the setting option so you are able to display your products completely for free. Then you can click on add campaigns to get started with campaign management using Google. Below that, you also have analytics, which includes summary of your entire business on the Google Merchant Center, including products, traffic, clicks, organic, and advert-based clicks, and then what people are searching for on Google. Below that, you will have a product analytical tab, which includes your traffic, competitors, popular products that you have, pricing, promotions, and audience. So you are able to see what type of audience you are getting, as well as the interest share for different types of products. You can use these analytics to further funnel down and make your products as interesting to its target audience. And then you have your online store, which includes the website links and image search. You can see your total CTR, impressions, clicks, purchases, and purchase rates. So that is how you can get started with Google Merchant Center. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, you guys can leave those in the comments down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.